Hey guys, we are planning a buy in gold. This will be the entry and the stop and the target. So if we can get filled into this, this will be a swing or a positional trade. So I'll be updating you as we go along. Let's see how this trade played out. Hey guys, so as you can see, we got trigger in the trade and we'll be updating you on this as we go along. So this is a swing trade going till this week, maybe next week. We'll see how this thing goes along. Hey guys, this is the next update in the gold trade which we took I think 2 days back, and hopefully we get our target today itself, if not maybe tomorrow, and I'll be updating you as we go along. Let's see what happens. Hey guys, this is the final update in the trade. As you can see, we are out of the trade now, booking are full of the profits. If you guys want to carry along, you can carry along, because I think this might go a little bit more up, but I'm just telling you what I'm doing again. So pretty good trade, actually pretty tough also, but that's I always say, patience and hard work, nothing can replace it. Okay, so that's the only key factor in the market. So another good trade, 400 point in the gold, which is a big deal. Not many people can take that much out from the market, but another good trade in our pocket. So I'll see you again with a good trade. Bye bye.